Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a new mining site. So if you want to know this site, please keep watching my video and stay with me. Okay. So first up, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. It has a one part tutorial video uploaded in this site and other part travel video uploaded in this site. To get any information those related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Well, all notification very fast. Now I introduce my Telegram name. This Telegram name is BTS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. If you have core mining app, I hope you join now. Okay. So if you increase your hash power, so you need to join my BTS Satoshi group and share your hash card and gift card. And increase your mining power. Okay, so here is my available here. I hope you will how to initiate or joining. So you can click this option and initiate option. Okay, then you share your link in my Telegram group and increase your mining power. Now I go to my main topic. If you want to turn mining site, I hope if you follow this video, you will earn. So every 5 minutes after you will get 200 turn in your account. So how to process and how to registration and how to earn, I also show you inshallah. So keep watching my video. Okay, when you come to my video description link, then you easily join this site. Okay, and click this option. This video link I also added this video description, so you can easily click when you click this and easily come to this site. First, it's your home account. When you come this site, then you need to have Google account. If you try to registration with other email, it's not possible, and other way it's not possible. So you need have to Google account. So click this option. I suggest you open a other way to other tab, open a Gmail account, then can you easily sign in this site. So click this option. Here's my some account here, so I click this option. Okay, it's easily join this site. Okay, so it's not mining start. First off, click this video and then you click this next option, then it will be mining started. Okay, when you click this two link, you will be get 400 tone coin. Okay, so it's a simple coin. Now it's completed of registration. Now how to mining started. First of click this link or video. Please listen, this video must be saw you, otherwise you cannot mining started. Okay, look at it's completed. Now you click this option. Okay, follow, and you have need to subscribe their news channel. Okay, click this subscribe and press the bell icon, then it will be completed. Then you get this notification, your earning your task completed, and okay, now that's is completed, and you get 400 USDT tone coin. Okay, no so uh, then what do you click this option. Okay, it will be working, and when it will be completed, it because of my internet is gone. Some after a few minutes after I will back. It's completed. Then you click this another. When it will be completed, then it will be back to inshallah. Then you click this OK option, then it will be completed. After 4 minutes after you can claim this every time. So withdraw option, you can withdraw any amount. Okay, so select your if you referral balance or activity balance. This is your activity balance. Okay, so withdraw wallet address, select your withdrawal address. Then somehow you select this wallet option, and wallet type your destination. You can easily faucet pay account, and I also already create this video about faucet pay. Now and you can select your faucet pay email. You if you want to withdraw by tone coin, then you go to your tone address. So tone address, and you have to create an account. So that's the process of withdraw. You can easily log out from you then, and then again you joining this by logging in with your Gmail account. I suggest to you, don't do this. Just waiting now, and easily you can join or easily joining and easily earning from this site. Okay, so that's the end of this site. I hope you will easily know about from this site. So join now and keep mining and keep playing at this every hour. Okay, so here is my referral balance and also activity balance. So every 5 minutes after you claim this, easily earn from this. I don't inshallah I will be make video for withdraw related inshallah. You know, one tone coin available used balance equal $8 less or more. So it's price updated. So that's the end of video. I hope you will join my channel, and I hope you will also like this video and join this site for any. Is no risk, no any question. So waiting now and playing your tone coin. That's the end of it. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.